Alright guys, so customer complaints is noise from engine. So I started it and oh my. Alright, so not only, did you guys hear that? Not only is it the engine knocking, but it also has an exhaust leak. So, well, you know what they say. If the engine starts a knocking, you go a walking. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is gonna need some work for sure. Wow. Check the engine oil. The engine oil is full and it looks super fresh. So it could have just got ran low on oil, or those lifters could have just failed. But what's crazy about this, guys, is there's absolutely no engine codes on this bad boy. There's an ABS code, and that's a memory code, but there's no engine codes on this. So